Manufacturing process of printing base paper. 1. The main materials for printing base paper are wood pulp and titanium dioxide tile. Wood pulp is divided into softwood pulp and hardwood pulp. Softwood pulp has coarser fibers and higher tensile strengths, while hardwood pulp has finer fibers and lower tensile strengths. Higher tensile strength indicates better quality pulp. Since softwood pulp is more expensive than hardwood pulp, modern paper production typically blends both types, with the proportion of softwood pulp being significantly lower than that of hardwood pulp. 2. Titanium dioxide in printing base paper, also known as ash content, refers to the percentage of TiO present. For standard warm white paper, the ash content generally ranges between 38% and 42%. The functions of titanium dioxide include: first, filling. TiO acts as a filler to occupy gaps between fibers, improving surface smoothness and uniformity. Second, opacity. TiO provides excellent hiding power, preventing underlying layers from showing through and affecting visual appearance. Third, fullness. By enhancing paper uniformity and opacity, TiO improves color consistency and vibrancy. Fourth, weather resistance. TiO increases the paper's resistance to aging, reduces fading under light exposure, and extends the paper's service life. 3. Titanium dioxide production methods include the chloride process and the sulfate process. The chloride process produces less pollution, consumes less energy, offers superior opacity and weather resistance, but has higher production costs. The sulfate process is the primary method used domestically, characterized by lower production costs and a simpler technology, but it generates more pollution and has lower environmental sustainability. Special requirements. Synchronous base paper demands high precision in longitudinal and transverse dimensional stability, requiring extremely tight batch-to-batch consistency, with variations controlled within 1%.